hear that little bitch? Can you believe that? She said that her Southern Limelight wings is better than my hold up now sweet Georgia Fire wings. Do you believe that?
Oh, you're so funny.
You and I know better, right? She don't want none of this, right? It's not gonna happen. I don't even want to embarrass her like that. I love her too much.
Come on.
Wait a minute. You think hers is better than mine?
Duh.
Really? You know what? Let's go. I'm gonna show you. Come here. So, not having a good day. My dog then turned against me. And Angela is rubbing it in. She said her Southern Limelight wings are the best. And so I don't know. I feel like I'm kind of alone in this because I'm just a little down.
Well, I'm sorry he's feeling down because, the truth is the truth. My wings are going to be the best. I'm telling you. I'm prepared. I got a plan. I'm going to execute it. So, we'll see. If my doggy turned, I don't think the doggy turned against him. The dog was just telling the truth. So, basically, guys, I'm making a lime cilantro wing. So I'm so ready for this. I can't wait to taste them. And I'm sure my doggy, she'll have a bone after this. She's going to be rewarded. She's going to know that my wings were actually the best.
And you try to, wow, that's like, what is that called when you try to get somebody on your side?
Yeah.
I can't believe y'all treat me like that. They treat me bad.
Oh.
Wrong.
But you know what? He does have a good plan too,
Yes.
but I'm just saying mine is better. So basically, guys, we're gonna have a battle here, the battle of the wings. So it will be
sweet Georgia, that fire.
and Southern Limelight. So we're gonna make our wings,
Southern Limelight, y'all.
and we're gonna make them healthy as well. So we're gonna do dipping sauce for them. You gonna do a dipping sauce with yours?
I'm gonna do a dipping sauce. You guys decide in the comments. Are you for Team Southern Limelight or Team Sweet Georgia Fire?
All right, so
I know everybody's gonna probably. But anyway, I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna think that way. You never know.
Okay,
You never know. I know you gotta follow me.
And
That's okay.
Also,
I'm gonna give it my best. I'm gonna give it my all, Doctor.
I would say this: you're gonna enjoy it, and also I think that we're gonna prepare them really good. They're gonna be tasty, and they're going to be healthy as well. So
that's it. All this and more coming up on a healthier. No, a healthier.
Let's do this.
Okay, guys. So I gotta make the dip, and just to start it off, this is a Greek yogurt and ranch flavor mix. It's just a base to start off with. So that's that. It's real simple. So you got that. Then I just add just a little bit of pepper. So you should see some pepper coming into there. Okay, not much because the wings gonna do their thing. And then I add just a little bit of that dill weed. That's dill weed I'm adding. Then just a little bit of, that's about, liberal, a little bit of paprika. Then I'm just gonna mix it all together. I'm just gonna blend it all in. As they say now we're blending together forever. So kind of mix that in there. Just trying to find a spoon, but not the fork. So I mixed it in there, but I want a little bit more of the dill weed. Okay, a little bit more. And just a tad bit more of the paprika. You roll that paprika. All right. Then just to mix it a little bit more. At the surface there, because I want to kind of hit when it comes in. And there you go. Boom. That is the dip for the sweet Georgia fire. Ooh, Lord.
So guys, I'm about to make my dipping sauce. So I'm excited about it. I'm going to use some sour cream and different little seasoning and spices. So I'm going to start off by putting a couple of tablespoons of sour cream. And I'm just going to stir it up some, just to kind of get it creamy. All right, so you see the consistency of it is creamy. I'm going to start adding my seasoning. So this is like a paprika, lemon, lime seasoning. So I put a little in, and I'm going to mix that in. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to mix each seasoning in there evenly. Not going to just dump it all in there at one time, because I want a smooth consistency, and I want this dip to have a great consistency as far as the seasoning that I'm adding. All right, this is like a rosemary garlic seasoning here. So I'm going to add a little there. Alright, so stir that in. And now we'll do a little cilantro. This is cilantro. Let's put a little cilantro in there. And I tried to be a little consistent with my flavor of wings, because I really want to kind of get a taste of, that Caribbean or island vibe to it. So we'll see. I'm hoping that it'll, I know somebody, what's he behind me? All right, so.
I'm over here. Turn, I'm right here. You need anything? You good?
I'm good, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Anytime.
Now I'm going to squeeze some lime, half of a lime inside my dip. So I'm going to squeeze it. All right. And I love the smell of lime. Lime smells it smells so good. And my last ingredient. Before I added this, I want to make sure that it would taste right in there. This is a little bit of lemon pepper. Just a little, not much. So, oh, this is going to be good. Oh, I can't wait, guys. I can't wait. Oh. All right, so, let's see. Oh, perfect. So I'm ready, guys.
Anytime you want to make a good, delicious style of wings, you always want to make sure you marinate them some kind of way. And the way I decided to do it was to put it in a crock pot and let it simmer on low for about 3 hours, and then seal it up. I said kill it. Seal it up real quick, and then put it in the refrigerator. And then Angela, how did you do it?
Well, basically, I just I put tons of seasoning on my wings. I did squeeze some lime juice on it, so I do have cilantro on my wings as far as the marinade. So I have a pretty good marinade on my wings. So and I also cut up a few pieces of lime in the wings, and I put it inside one of those food saver bags, and I sealed it up so it can keep in the freshness of it. So I'm excited about it, and they smell pretty good already, and they're just raw.
I was with you up there. So while that's going on, and while we have to give all that time, That's what we have time to do. So we went for a walk, and you guys check it out.
Hello, everybody. As you can tell, we're walking outside, getting in some much needed calorie burn.
This is a different route. We don't always do the same routes. It's good to switch it up, switch the style up, as they say, and also make sure you're still playing a safe route, because none of us are impervious to tough situations.
Yeah, you don't want to get snatched up out here.
And we still see little nature, like we saw a big dog that had a fence that looked like it could step right over. Now, I'm not even scared of dogs, but
I am. I'm scared of dogs.
just having to deal with that thing would be interesting.
I know.
Saw a rabbit that was big as a dog, didn't we?
Yes. Oh yeah, the ears was like huge.
Yeah.
So one of the things I want to bring out too is, as you notice, guys, I've been trying to watch my GMO intake.
Yeah.
So I just think that is important. You know, I'm doing a lot of research on that because, as you know, we have so much genetically modified organism. That's what GMO stands for, genetically modified organism, which to me is like you want to try to watch that, because I would really call it, be honest with you, it's lab food. Because what's happening is scientists are going to these labs and genetically altering the DNA of our foods to, like for example, for salmon, they want the salmon to grow bigger because the population, there's a whole lot of people on this planet that eat salmon, so they're trying to genetically modify salmon to grow faster. To me, that's so many things that's wrong with that.
It's crazy.
Yes.
They mess with all the DNA stuff.
Yeah, it's crazy. So do your research on that. I am. So, and there are ways that you can really get around that by eating organic food. So
what's
eating
the
and growing
upside?
it.
Like, what's the benefit of eating that kind of food versus, let's say, something that's more processed?
Organic versus processed?
Organic versus something that's been messed with.
Well, if you're eating organic, that food is natural. It's all natural, free of any chemicals.
Right.
So it's not going to alter it's not altered, which means your body is recognizing it.
Oh.
So remember that saying, dust you are and dust you return?
Yeah.
We are from this planet. I mean, we're made from dust. So it's like you need to eat things that are natural, that the body's going to recognize. When you're sitting there altering food in that way, your body is not going to take to that.
You are what you eat.
Exactly.
I'm not saying you genetically modified because you ate genetically modified food.
And also,
but it can have some kind of adverse effects down the road.
But think about the liver. The liver job is to cleanse. So just imagine all the work the liver has to do on a daily basis. So it has to take a toll on the liver. So, so guys, and it's about, I feel like it's about to rain. We're about to get rained on.
Well, just keep the faith. You never know. Let's see if we can make it. But either way.
But I have a hood on.
As we used to say
okay.
back at that when I used to watch like Saturday morning cartoons.
Yeah.
Once they give you like some good information, they would say, and that's one to grow on.
Exactly.
So that's one to grow on, right?
So guys, do your research on the GMO. You know, try to buy foods or consume foods that are non-GMO. There's labels that you can look for now that tells you when it's a non-GMO product, and that's what I'm doing. So
don't forget to drink your cookies and eat your milk. That's what Mr. T used to say.
Oh, yeah.
And it was backwards on purpose. People were like, wait a minute, you gotta drink your milk and eat your cookies. Listen. All right, listen, we're gonna go talk more, husband-wife stuff.
Yeah.
See you back in the kitchen, right?
That's right. Have a great day, guys.
So basically here I put it on about 375 for about 10 minutes and then flip it over in another 10 minutes.
So I sprayed my air fryer with ham And I'm going to lay my chicken down into the air fryer. I'm going to, oh, as you see, I got my lime here. Let me put these limes to the side. And I'm going to just layer the chicken inside the pan. Now, I don't want to put them on top of each other. So I'm going to basically just, you know, put them in as neatly as I can. I'm going to show you what I got. This is how I layered it. So they can cook perfectly. Now, I am a crispy wing type of person, so I want these to come out crispy. So we'll see.
Here I'm just flipping them over so I can get them crispy on the other side. And then I put them right back in the oven for 10 minutes. 375.
This is what it looks like after 20 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip these over. And I'm going to put them back in there because, like I said, I like for my wings to be really crispy. And they're probably just crispy on one side now. So I'm going to flip the rest of these over and we're going to put it back into the air fryer. I'm not sure whether I'm going to do the full 20 minutes or if I'm just do 10 minutes. So I might check on these in about 10 minutes. So my wings won't burn per se. I don't want to be burned because if they burn, you know who is going to really like that. He's going to like it if they burnt. And I won't hear the last of it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just turn the rest of these over and put them back into the air fryer for a few minutes, and we shall see how that goes. But they smell really good, guys. They really do. They smell good. Okay.
So this is a hot sauce base. So you just get hot sauce, and then I added the sweet chili paste that I had made already from the juices that I had used earlier when I used the crock pot. So you got that, I already mixed that in there, and you can I use like a fork so that way it kind of strain and it breaks it up, and so you got that in there, but it's not much of that, mostly hot sauce. Now what I add to that is only two things. Is cayenne pepper. This is going to be for the, and then black pepper. So something to think about, just always make sure that you wash your meat, you watch your poultry, because you have, we know we're talking about the corona and things like that, so always make sure everything's washed and clean. I'm sure all of us know, but there's nothing wrong with it. The reminder as a help for all of us, so it's something to keep in mind. So you got the pepper, you got cayenne, you got the hot sauce. What you can add, if you don't have the sweet chili part of it, you can add like a little honey. I don't feel I need to add that because my focus really is making sure it's nice and hot. And that dip we made earlier, the Get Down Dirty dip, that'll help cool it off.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You putting all this hot stuff in there. And I'm like, okay, am I gonna be able to taste it? You trying to light me up. All right. That sauce is gonna be on fire. It's gonna be really hot. This is the time.
You finished?
Okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, people. Please forgive my wife. She know not what she do. Please forgive me. Don't know what I do. Can't stop loving you. Anyway, can I get back to what I was doing? You're gonna enjoy this, by the way. You're gonna like it. It's supposed to be hot. So, you finished with all the giggling, cackalaking?
It's a sea of fire. a sea of fire.
You didn't hear me. I did not laugh at her.
Yeah.
I did sabotage something a little bit. She didn't even know, guys, until later. Anyway, so that's what it is. This is like, if you like hot stuff, but also, back over. This, I'm talking about this, not that. This. If you like hot stuff like this, you're going to love these wings. Okay? All right. Talk to you later. Anyway, so we're done. We're done. It's over. Finito. Finish. We are done. And I'm going to be a gentleman and go first. This right here first.
Be my guest.
It's been decided.
I hope those are delicious. They look delicious.
They look good.
Yours look delicious too.
You kind of like, you know.
Because I know they hot. All right, let's go ahead. Let's get started.
That's what's up. That's hot. That's hot right there. This is, what is this? What is this? What you call it?
Limelight. Southern limelight. Southern limelight.
Give me the limelight. Okay, here we go.
So, what do you think? Guys, I hope these wings taste good to him. I was trying to make them crunchy, so I let them air fry a little bit longer than, that I would normally do. But I was trying to make them really crispy. So hopefully that paid off. I mean, they're not burnt. They're just, crunchy. Let's say crunchy, crispy, crunchy.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. So, what's that supposed to be? What's that supposed to be? So, are you gonna tell me what you think about it? So basically, let me talk about what I did. So you're gonna see at the bottom of the screen the picture of the wings, and I hope you don't eat them all for me because I need to test my wings. But basically, I used a number of seasonings in the wing to marinate them. So I have a great marinade. Plus, I used a good amount of lime as well because I do like lime. So, and I think the lime and the cilantro together would really pair together to kind of bring a great flavor to these wings. And also, I did the same for the dip to kind of join them together as one.
Unbelievable.
How is it?
Angela, they're really good.
Thank you. Thank you.
They really are good. I can't even pretend that these not good.
Really? So
God, these are so good.
So can you describe to us?
So you know what? It's not like break your teeth crunchy either. It's a good crunch. It's a nice light crispy crunch to it, and then you immediately taste the lime. I'm not sure what all you put in the dip, but that nice cool flavor to the dip. I really feel like I'm back in the school runnings, man.
Oh,
We're on the island.
awesome!
Yeah, we're blending together.
So, what you think about the cilantro and lime flavor?
I think it's a perfect combination. Blends it all together.
Okay.
So, you did your thing.
Thank you. Got my water for this one because he really put the fire on this. I know he did. I know he put the fire on it. So
This is
if I blow up, guys, this is why, because these wings are on fire. What do you call them? Sweet
Georgia fire.
I'm a little nervous about this, guys, because I'm really not the spicy type. My taste buds are really sensitive when it comes to this heat. So let's
still
see.
Stalling, y'all.
All right, let's see.
Don't be nervous.
All right, let me see, because I'm telling you, it's red. It's like a pool of
Don't be scared.
of lava from the volcano.
Don't be scared.
All right, so let's
Don't
see.
be scared. You got this.
Oh.
Here's your water.
Lord have mercy. Ooh.
You're gonna have to reimburse me. Did you put in the dippy dip?
Hold on 1 second, guys, because this is
That's the real deal.
before I put that wing in my mouth. The vapors of the heat was in my eyes and my nose.
You caught
So-
the vapors?
I don't know why he did this to me.
Yeah, like I tortured you. Or
I
something,
know he
you
was over there just shaking that hot sauce in that bowl.
So you was not focusing on your chicken. How it taste?
So
Here you go. That's what you need. A little bit. Oh, a little bit of carrot.
did you put heat in the dip too?
Oh, you know what? It was better. That's,
Woo.
no, look.
You put heat in the dip.
It got in there, but that's okay.
No, what did
It's on top of some of that.
you put some cayenne in the dip?
No, I didn't put any cayenne in the dip. You wasn't okay.
All right, I would say this. I did taste a little sweetness too. I don't know what that sweetness is. Whatever's in the sauce.
That's love. Come on.
Now it was
You
tasty,
know what that is.
but it was very hot. Now he should have known that about my flavor, about my taste buds in regards to this heat. So I'm really concerned about, excuse me, about this heat.
Need some more water.
Yeah.
We can get some more water. You good now? I'm so sorry, first of all.
But the heat, I'm telling you, the heat, to me, it deters or detracts from my taste buds. So I'm not going to say it's not good, but I
think you just did, but that's okay.
I didn't say it wasn't good. It's just hot. It is hot.
Hungry could blow your mind with something. Those are called hot wings.
Well, I know you said something about sweet Georgia fire or whatever, but it's like,
People tell them that we were talking about hot wings, right?
ugh, I should have just ate the inside
Did you
of,
tell them
the
people?
wing. So I'm going to try the
talking
inside of the wing with a little of my dip.
No, you didn't.
His dip is too hot for me. Okay.
It's not hot.
All right.
It's paprika.
Now,
You dipped it way too hot. It's right. If you just do the surface, you'll see Angela, it's not hot.
all right. So,
I'm not gonna tell you. I just.
all right. So I ate the inside of his wing. So, because I can't take the heat from the outside. So, I did taste some flavor on the inside, more of the sweetness on the inside. So, it was pretty good. It was pretty good.
Yeah, yours too.
All right. So now I get the check. Now I get the.
Yeah,
you
go
gonna
ahead.
taste yours?
Oh, you want
Taste-
which one you want to do? You want me to taste mine first?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So now I want to taste it.
So I'm gonna eat hot wings. I'm gonna eat the hot wings.
We may have to have
I'll put a little dip.
well, we'll say this before you bite that. We're going to have a different person come in to taste his hot wing because I can't really judge. So we'll have somebody else come in to taste the wing to kind of give it a fair.
Find a stranger. Stranger. All right.
All right, go ahead.
What are you talking about?
It's
This
hot.
is delicious.
I didn't say it wasn't delicious. It's hot.
This is. Napper. That was good. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Okay.
I was worried for a minute. This is just as I envisioned it. Man, just like in my dreams.
I'll have somebody come in.
Man, you're a good actor.
and
For
taste
a
these
minute, you had me
wings for
worried.
him
I'm like,
because
what's up?
they were hot. All right.
This is really good.
So
Why you
what
say
am
it
I
like that?
tasting Oh, it looks really fiery right here.
Jalen,
Like a lake
Dude,
of
I see them melting right before me.
dude,
So,
I'm telling you. So you want to try that? That's your mom's. I already know what you're gonna say about that. Talk about my mama. Yeah, it's good.
So this is why you're speechless.
Yeah, it was good. But you know how she get when you like.
You didn't want to know how good this was.
It's good. But I'm trying to tell you, Jalen. I'm trying to tell you,
I'm gonna
though.
squeeze some of this lime juice on top.
Ooh, put a special touch on there. Yes.
Look.
You about to get your mouth blowed up.
I don't even need
Jalen, we don't need a cheerleader over here.
I don't even need the dip for this.
The dip is good. I mean, it just adds flavor. You can have this with or without the dip too, son.
It's perfect by itself.
No, you won't. How much you paying this man?
I ain't paid Jalen anything. You know what? What's good is
It's
good.
so extra.
Listen, guys, if it's good, it's good, okay? Speaks for itself. Told you I had a plan.
Well, I think we're done here.
Oh, did you want?
Oh,
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
yeah, I'd be fair.
yeah.
Y'all about to go soup.
I'm gonna dip it. Wait.
I'm really scared.
Those wings look scary hot. All right, so you go.
What you got? You see what I'm talking about? You would have thought that it was like made of some kind of molten lava or something.
Okay. All right.
My man.
Okay.
My man. 20 grand. What I'm
I
talking
did a
about.
little something here.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
I mean, I can't let my fingers off with hers. But this sauce,
Is the boss, right?
it really has it popping here.
That's why they call you Honest Man, Honest J. Honest J.
So this goes very well with the sauce he's made. Chicken is juicy compared to her crunch.
Mission accomplished. All right.
Soaks in that sauce. I can feel it. The heat going down my throat. It's a very good, warm feeling.
Like a bear.
Makes me
is-
feel alive.
It's like a cuddly teddy bear is kind of hugging you as it goes down, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Well done.
I
son.
like it.
Well done.
Very good.
Yeah. So I already know who's the best,
Duh.
but I will say you can decide just by the reactions of people from what you see who you think did the best. It'd be nice if y'all could
I
taste
would
it.
like to taste my wing if you give me a minute before you
Wait
start
a minute, you didn't
closing
get to
stuff
taste
up.
it? You didn't get to taste
Not
it?
my wing. No, I have not.
That's my boy.
All right, time to taste mine. And I'm gonna squeeze some lime on it. This Southern Lime Light. All right, so and I'm gonna put some of my dip on it.
It's crazy here.
Woo! Yeah. I think that, you know, Jalen's proved. I mean, that was our son, Jalen. You guys didn't know this. Our son, Jalen.
I was like, is
I
that
wanted-
a stranger?
I just wanted a different person to taste Christopher's wing because I'm really, honestly, it's hard for me to eat hot stuff. But I did try. I did. I mean, and I didn't say that it wasn't good. It's just for me to take. I can't take the heat.
Get out the kitchen.
So
Get out of the kitchen.
But as you guys saw, his is good. So I think he liked both of our wings. I think he did. We're very satisfied with this wing bowl. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm happy about it. And the dip went well with both of the wings.
Yeah.
So I'm very proud of what we did. So very happy about it.
I have to concur. Lower the buoy,
Yep.
as they say. So great job. Well done. Another delicious, healthy meal. Another healthier her, healthier him, a healthier us.
This is the last one.